Hey you guys, welcome back to Mama's Touch. Today I'm coming to you with a really small haul real quick because I just picked up a few things that I needed, and also I'm doing a catering job, so I needed to get some things from the store. So today I picked up this 4-pack of Marie Calendar chicken pot pies, and then my son picked up this Hungry Man double chicken bowl. This is something new. I never seen this before. It's the chicken bacon ranch, and I believe it has grilled chicken patties, ranch mashed potatoes, bacon, and cheddar cheese. They like stuff like this because on nights when I don't feel like cooking, they like to pop these in the oven, or my other son takes it to work. So he picked up 2 of those. They're the same. And then back there I got a bunch of collard greens. And then we picked up some more popcorn chicken. I have a big container of some sofrito right here. I picked up 1 bag of chips. And then we got some red onions. My son picked up those little bites, the cookie and cream little bites. I picked up a gallon of milk. And then we got 4 of the Turkey Hill. We got some peach iced tea. We got raspberry lemonade. And then we got watermelon and watermelon lemonade. And then I got 2 avocados there. And then I picked up some more of these beer batted fish portions. And then I picked up some cheese, because yes, I'm making some macaroni and cheese. So I picked up some more cheese. And then I have some cilantro right here. And then I picked up a bag of carrots because I needed some more carrots. And then I picked up 2 cucumbers. And so I also picked up 3 of these Tropicana twisters. We got 2 watermelons and 1 orange egg. I picked up this curry seasoning. And I picked up, here is some whitey fish, because I want to have some fish one day. And then I picked up 2 packages of, these are smoked turkey tails. This is for my collard greens. So I have 2 packages of those. And then I picked up some drumsticks. And then I picked up some chicken thighs. And then I also picked up a pack of, it's heavy. It's chicken wings, chicken thighs, and drumsticks. So I will be making that. This is for someone. And then I picked up 3 packages of some Italian turkey sausages. I picked up 2 sweet, and then I think I have 1 hot. 2 sweet. No. Yeah, and then one of them is hot. It's not that spicy, but I picked up 3 packages of those. Then I picked up some Velveeta. And then I picked up 2 red peppers. And then I picked up 2 of these cherry tomatoes, or grape tomatoes. And then I picked up some spring mix for some salad. So you guys, that's it. That's all I picked up. Like I said, I didn't have a lot to pick up. This was mostly just getting some juice because we needed things to drink in the house. And then like I said, I have a catering job to do. So I just went to go get those things I needed, and that was it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope y'all staying safe, and I'll see you soon with another haul, or maybe another cooking video. Bye. See you later.